Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'll be installing the TedTalk license plate relocation because your boy here got pulled over. Cali is pretty strict on their stuff, and you live in Cali, you'll probably know why. I got pulled over, bro. For me personally, I don't like running from license plate because I think it doesn't look good at all. But it's okay, it's okay. Gotta invest in something like this. So first things first, you gotta take this thing off. It's pretty easy. I just pop it off from the back from right here. Once you take that whole thing off, you use this thing to stick in that hole right there. And yes, it comes with the plate, comes with these screws and stuff. But then now all you gotta do, just stick it in there. I think it's this way, I'm not sure. Dude, so I broke this thing. It was supposed to be for my tow hook for my license plate, but this thing is cheap. I still look like this thing compared to this thing. See, this thing is cheap. 20 bucks. Man, I don't know, man. Today wasn't failed, for 20 bucks. I don't know. It feels kind of cheap. I might just buy a parent, but it was kind of my fault though. Guys, so I broke this thing. Like it was connected like this, but whose fault was it? Was it the brand or was it me? It was me, alright? I'm gonna take full responsibility. I'm not gonna blame anything. I'm still gonna post this video, you know what I'm saying? So yes, but for 20 bucks, I think it's alright. I think you get what you pay for, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this thing kind of snapped off. It feels kind of, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it feels kind of cheap, My first impression, I thought that was pretty cheap. But it's all good, like I learned from my mistake. Just don't over torque. I torqued it to like 20 foot-pounds of torque. But I don't know, this thing just snapped off. Let me know like how many like foot-pounds of torque, like where like should I torque, or like do you just like torque it by hand, I'm not even sure. But yeah, I learned from my mistake, and don't do it like me, like don't over torque it, like I think 20 is like the max, so like 25, 20, 30 something, I don't even know. But like this thing broke at 20 foot-pounds of torque, I didn't even torque it that hard, but it's all good. I think when I torque it, I kind of like just bent it like that, and this thing snapped off. But it's all good, But then the thing is, like, you see how like this thing is like super tight, like right here, it's like fully in. I don't really like it because like you can still like move it like this, like see, and it's still tight. Look, see, like it still moves. I don't know. It's kind of easy, one hand. See, it's kind of easy. So I don't know. I might go by parent. Today was a big fail, but it's okay. For 20 bucks, down in the toilet. So yeah, it's totally okay, and I'll learn from my mistake. I'm not gonna blame anything. I'm gonna link this product down below. Go check it out. It's pretty cheap. It's like 20 bucks. It's not gonna hurt that much. So yeah, it was a failed, and I guess yeah, I'm still gonna post this video anyways, because I want you guys to learn from my mistake. Don't do that. Don't over torque it. I don't know how much you're supposed to torque it down, but you guys are probably gonna flame me in the comment. But it's totally okay, But yes, by the meantime, I'll update you guys when I get the parent tow hook license plate. This is kind of cheap, and yeah, like you can see, just know. So yes, by the meantime, I'll make another video of this, and yes, catch you on another video. So dream big and inspire.